I hope you enjoyed our production number. Can we have another round of applause, please? Okay, now we are really celebrating and rejoicing in the Lord.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Talent Show. Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan?
Okay lang?
Excited po ba tayong lahat?
Oo.
Excited na makita ang pinakatago-tagong talento ng mga ating mga kasama. This talent show is one of the best venues for us to celebrate and rejoice in the Lord. Alam po natin lahat, participating brethren have prepared for so much for this show.
Exactly, Jingle. I'm sure they actually gave up their best effort to perfect their number and their presentations this afternoon. And it seems that everybody is actually looking forward for this show. Every year na meron tayong celebration ng Feast of Tabernacles natin. So before we call in the first number to showcase their talents, we have prepared something for you. And it's going to be a visual presentation to make us all remember that all this display of talents is only for the purpose of rejoicing and worshiping God. So let's take it away, Seth.